Ever wondered if there was a bank account that actually gave you more than just a place to hold your money? What if it rewarded you for simply being a member, with exclusive access to discounts, experiences, and tools that could change how you manage your finances? Well, look no further than Tide, the UK's leading digital business finance platform. It's more than just a business bank account, it's a financial toolkit designed to help you save money and grow your business. And one of the most exciting things about it is the member perks. Unlock savings with Tide member perks. Tide has partnered with a wide range of companies to bring you some fantastic perks. Think of it as your secret weapon for getting more bang for your buck on everyday business essentials. Let's dive into some of the incredible things you can get. For example, need to send a parcel? You can get an exclusive discount with every. Looking to boost your marketing? Tide members get discounts on platforms like MailChimp and Canva Pro. And it doesn't stop there. You'll find perks for everything from accounting software and payroll services to broadband and even car rentals. These aren't just one-off deals, they're ongoing benefits that can add up to significant savings over time. It's like having a team of experts constantly finding ways for you to save money, all included with your Tide account. Experiences and tools. But Tide member perks aren't just about discounts. They also offer access to unique experiences and powerful tools. Imagine getting exclusive invitations to webinars and workshops that help you sharpen your business skills. Or having access to free resources like legal advice and HR support from leading professionals. Tide understands that running a business is about more than just transactions. It's about building your network, expanding your knowledge, and having the right support system in place. These perks are designed to help you do all of that, empowering you to make smarter financial decisions and focus on what you do best. And the best part? It's all simple to access right from your Tide app. No complicated sign-ups or extra fees. Just open the app, head to the Member Perks section, and start exploring all the ways you can save money and grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.